Is it really possible to lose weight fast by eating foods with no carbs or sugar? You bet it is. In this post, I'll share 10 of the healthiest and most delicious zero-carb foods that will help you melt fat away in just 10 days. These are foods that weight loss companies don't want you to know about because they want to sell you their expensive diet plans and miracle pills. But I'm here to give you the truth. You can shed pounds quickly and naturally by incorporating more of these carb and sugar-free foods into your diet. Keep reading to find out what they are. Chicken breast is one of the most versatile and nutritious carb and sugar-free foods. It's low in fat but high in protein, providing a whopping 26 grams in a 3-ounce cooked serving. Protein helps keep you feeling full and takes longer to digest than carbs. Chicken breast can be baked, grilled, sautéed, or added to salads and wraps. Skip the skin to cut more fat and calories. Eggs are called nature's perfect food for a reason. Just one large egg contains 6 grams of protein and is low in carbs at less than 1 gram. The yellow yolk is also a great source of vitamin D, an important nutrient. Boil, poach, scramble, or turn your eggs into tasty omelets and frittatas by adding veggie fillings like spinach, tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers. Beef and other red meats get a bad rap, but when consumed in moderation they provide key nutrients like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. A 3-ounce serving of lean cuts like sirloin has 25 grams of protein and barely any carbs or sugar. Grill up burgers without the bun, cook beef into a vegetable stir-fry, or slice steak to top a fresh spinach salad. Fish like salmon and tuna are carb and sugar-free sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly important for your brain and heart health. Salmon is one of the easiest fish recipes to make. Simply season and bake or grill a fillet for a perfect weeknight dinner. For tuna, you can buy pre-made pouches to create tuna melts or salads. Cheese makes the perfect high-protein snack or addition to zero-carb meals. Just an ounce of cheddar cheese provides 7 grams of protein. Opt for low-moisture, hard cheeses like Parmesan, Swiss, and cheddar so you get more nutrition per serving. Grate Parmesan over zucchini noodles, add Swiss to egg sandwiches instead of bread, or snack on cheese cubes. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and macadamia nuts may be high in fat, but it's a good kind of fat. They are also great sources of fiber and protein. An ounce of almonds has 6 grams of protein and only 2 net carbs. Avoid nuts roasted in sweetened or honey glazes. Instead, roast plain nuts at home with your own seasonings or snack on them raw. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are some of the best carb and sugar-free foods you can eat. They are extremely low in calories and carbs but contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These greens can be added to salads, smoothies, scrambles, and more. Frozen greens retain nutrients well, so stock up on frozen spinach and kale for convenience. Zucchini and other non-starchy veggies are perfect for decreasing carbs at meals. 1 cup of raw zucchini contains just 3 grams of carbs and 0 sugar. Spiralize zucchini into noodles, bake into fries or chips, or grate into zucchini rice. Other great options are broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, and peppers. Avocados are a superfood perfect for the low-carb lifestyle. Just half an avocado contains 10 grams of fiber and only 1 net carb. They're also loaded with monounsaturated fats important for energy and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Mash some avocado as a base for tuna or chicken salad, add slices to sandwiches and burgers, or dice one up to top salads. Chia seeds and flax seeds provide fiber, protein, and healthy fats with almost 0 net carbs. These seeds are nutritional powerhouses loaded with nutrients like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oats, or even desserts like chia seed pudding. Grind them to use in place of breadcrumbs too. I hope this post got you excited to transform your diet by incorporating more of these nutritious zero-carb foods. Remember, consistently choosing foods low in carbs and sugar is key to losing weight sustainably. Avoid fad crash diets that restrict entire food groups. Focus on these wholesome foods high in protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Now that you know what foods to eat, let's talk about a simple meal plan to help you lose up to 10 pounds in just 10 days. Each day will include 3 meals and 2 snacks from the list above to keep you full. Make sure to also stay hydrated by drinking at least 64 ounces of water daily. Here is an example day. Breakfast: veggie omelet with 2 eggs, spinach, onions, peppers. Snack: 1/4 cup almonds. Lunch: tuna salad stuffed in tomatoes. Snack: 1 ounce cheddar cheese cubes. Dinner: baked salmon with zucchini noodles and a side salad. Follow this framework by picking your favorite zero-carb foods for each day. Planning ahead takes the guesswork out of eating low-carb and sugar. Once you get momentum going with your meal prepping, you'll be amazed how the weight comes off. Now for the fun part. Take the carb and sugar-free food quiz below to test your knowledge on everything we just covered. Quiz time. 1. Which of these foods is lowest in net carbs per serving? A. Orange. B. Banana. C. Strawberries. D. Blueberries. 2. What are 2 high-protein, low-carb meat choices? A. Chicken breast and salmon. B. Steak and pork chops. C. Bacon and hot dogs. D. Ground beef and turkey breast. 3. Which cheese has the lowest amount of carbs per ounce? A. Mozzarella. B. Feta. C. Parmesan. D. Swiss. Hope you had fun and learned a thing or two from taking this quiz. Remember that educating yourself about nutrition is key to successfully reducing carbs and sugar long term. To recap, fill up on these 10 delicious low-carb foods. Chicken breast. Eggs. Beef. Salmon. Cheese. Nuts. Leafy greens. Zucchini. Avocado. Chia and flax seeds. Eat more of these foods and cut back on sweets, grains, starches, sodas, juices, and sweetened foods to effortlessly drop pounds. Focus on making half your plate non-starchy vegetables, a quarter protein, and a quarter fat from foods like nuts, seeds, avocado, and olive oil. Thanks. Let me know if you try any of the recipes and if you have any other favorite no-carb and no-sugar foods I should cover in future posts. Stay tuned for more tips on living a healthy low-carb lifestyle. Disclaimer: the content in this article is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be construed as medical advice. Please consult a medical professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. The author is not liable for any errors or omissions in the content or for any actions taken based on the information provided.